All right, in this lesson, we are going to play with some more magic tools. You can find them here or when you actually go into one of your existing projects or you create a new video. You will find it in the toolbar on your left. I'm going to just go into one of my projects, which was the one that we have subtitled. There it is. If you want to get rid of your subtitles, you can. I am going to, before I get rid of my subtitles though, I want to show you this little AI tool is going to translate it for us. How cool is that? So we're going to translate the text in the current project, and it wants to know exactly what we're going to translate. So we're translating our subtitles, and then you can actually check or uncheck the subtitles that you want it to do. I'm going to say okay. Now we need to choose a language. Wow, look at all these languages. Okay, looks like it's going to do Japanese. If you're a student from Japan, you can confirm whether this is doing it correctly or not. All right, here we go. Translate. Oh, wow. So there it is. It looks Japanese to me, although I'm afraid that I don't know if it's done it correctly, but let's hit play. It's your big day. Congratulations. Okay, I can also, let me go with I actually do know German and Italian. Let's do Italian. I'm moving to Italy, so back to Italy. All right, here we go. Translate. There we go. Okay, so I just had to make sure that everything was selected. Oggi è un giorno importante per te. Congratulazioni or auguri. But still, that's pretty quick and easy, right? I guess you should always just double check with people in the other language that it is working, but there are some easy translation tools. That one was right in the subtitles area. It was an option there. However, you can also find it under Tools, AI Translator, so it works the same way. All right, so now I want to play around a little bit with these other tools. So we did translate the project text, but now there's a tool. Identify audio and translate it into text into the target language. And then there's also identify audio and translate it into a lifelike voice in the target language. What? All right, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to get rid of my subtitles. Bye-bye. So now I don't have subtitles anymore. I'm just going to use the audio that I have. And I'm going to tell it, so the original language is English, target language. Let's put it in Spanish this time. Choose the content. So it will be the audio and translate. Okay, so it looks like it's done something. It's your big day. Okay, so this is just a clip of the other previous audio. So it also has put it in not just as a, basically it's like the subtitle. So it does it like that. But then the other thing that it can do, so I'm going to go back here. Let's get rid of that now, is it can actually, there we go. Okay, I'm just going to grab a video to pop in here. We'll just use that one for now. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my tools, and we have done this one and this one. Identify audio and translate it into a lifelike voice in the target language. Let's see what this one does. Okay, original language is English, target language. That's so funny. It's got different accents and everything. Wow. Let's do German. From Germany. Wow, I can't believe it has all these different, okay. Germany, and it has different male and females. Let's do Katja and cheerful Katja, and we're going to do it from our audio. Let's see what happens. Ready? Translate. Wow. All right, let's see what happens. I don't know if I have to get rid of my original audio or not. But let's see.
Heute ist ein großer Tag. Glückwünsche.
Wow. Okay, so it still sounds a little bit computery, but I mean, that's pretty cool. It took my English and it translated it into German. My husband's German and so are my in-laws, and they don't speak English, and my German's okay, but maybe I'll use this. Wow. Okay, awesome.
Heute ist ein großer Tag. Glückwünsche.
Glückwünsche. All right, that's so cool. So you can do that. You saw it gave me all the different languages. You can choose a male, a female, cheerful, whatever things that you want. And that is really cool. In the next lesson, I'll show you some more magic tools. See you there. Bye.